We got the absolute beauty of a Quattro here. Look at that. Oh my god.
Correct it. It's not a Quattro.
Is it not?
Audi Coupe GT. It's front wheel drive.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh fucking hell, sorry bro. I thought they were Quattros. Okay, so they come in coupe without the four-wheel drive.
It's rarer than a Quattro.
Is it?
And listen, if anyone wants to sponsor me to put a nice engine in it, please.
You heard the man, there you go. Look at that. Why wouldn't you want to sponsor that, bro? That is fucking oof. And you had it for how long? 7 years?
9 altogether.
Jesus.
I've given it to Theo here. It's your car, isn't it, Theo?
That's savage. I love that. Keep it in the family.
He tells everyone at school that it's his car, and on the lunchtime I come by, don't I, and rev the engine. And you show everyone in the playground, don't you?
Their daddy doesn't have a, I don't want to say Quattro again, I keep calling them Quattros.
Audi Coupe GT.
Coupe GTs. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm getting rid of mine, I'm going to get a classic soon. They're growing on me. What do you think about emissions, bro? Fuck it.
What can I say?
A lot of police coming. There's a lot of police coming. Look at the ball right there. Look at these boats, lads. You see all these people? What are they going to do? How are they going to sell their boats? You're going to collect your anchor and you're going to fuck off somewhere else. That's what you're going to do. This is a pit stop. We're now going to the next location, down to Mexico. Police are already here. There's a police car right at the top of there, bro, so. I do want to say, lads, as well, see these seatbelts, custom colour. This is custom to the brand colour Crisp Whip I have, the car spray. If you want these types of seatbelts, all you have to do is contact a company called Airbag Team. They're so affordable as well. It's one of the most affordable things. And you can make your car look so unique. Every time I get in my car and put the seatbelt on, I feel fucking amazing. A new man, they say. A new man.
Look at us. Loving it.
Women absorb to this. It's like fucking putting a sponge into a sink full of water. Just look how unhappy this guy is. He's like, everyone fuck off out here. Thinks he's fucking this and that. All this in a bag of chips with your fucking bike. You're nothing but the grease at the bottom, bro. He's fucking waiting for me, the cunt. They are not fucking playing about today, folks. They are not taking the piss. The whole fucking LAPD's out tonight, boys. There's actually a speed camera down at the bottom of this road, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna slow fucking down. We came out to win races, not fucking win speeding tickets. Ah, there's the police, there's the police, there's the police. Fucking go away, you fucking unwanted children. In all fairness, lads, Milton Keynes is like, whoever made Milton Keynes is a car guy. Literally a fucking car guy. Every road, no speed bumps, flat roads, brand new. It's like a racetrack, bro. Absolute racetrack. Look at this, E63S, what a fucking monster. Got the C63, got my S3, Cam's Mini. These are fucking nice, you know. Look at that. That's the setup, folks. That's the fucking setup there. Mafia. Literally mafia builds, lads. Look at fucking that. Oof. S3, yum 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 yum. I heard it, so I'm gonna go look. Come on, lad, give us a rev. Oh, yeah, now. This is a mad looking Golf. What the f? Actually nice. Something to do to the front of it, I think. Okay. Fucking hell. Sounds like Halloween, bro. This is.
I trust myself. Oh shit.
What is? Oh wow. If you fall, bro. Whoa! Fuck that. That's me walking home last night. That was. What's the name of that, bro? Do you mind? I'm just doing a video on that. I'm trying to document some cars.
It's a one wheel.
Okay, one wheel.
One wheel.
That's a whip, bro, isn't it? It's a nice old whip. Can we?
Oh shit.
Look at fucking this thing. How much did they go for, bro?
1,200.
Whoa, fucking that's worth more than half the fucking cars, bro. Oh, I fucking love these R32s, bro.
Launch it. Hey, launch it. Launch it. Launch it.
Come on, bro. Why are you getting an R32 if you're just gonna drive it like that, like? Launch that. You have to launch that, look.
They just jumped in the back of their car. How funny that would have been.
Grand Theft Auto.
Hey, you need to do something. Pretend they're your Uber. Do it on that one.
Look at this fucking Evo 10, bro. What a fucking beast, bro. We have to hear that, bro. We have to hear that. What do you think about a clean carbon footprint, broski?
Fuck him.
Yeah, fuck them, bro. Fuck right here. This Civic coming in, boy. That's a fucking car there. Thinking of getting one of these, I was. Beast. Fucking size of that spoiler, lads. Jesus Christ, you'd have fucking a whole family dinner on top of that. Whew. Look at this. Kitted out to the brim. Look at this is how we start an Audi. Do you know, it's still more reliable than my fucking piece of shit S3, isn't it?
You're gonna have to push me, sorry.
As I said, it's still more reliable than my S3. At least the thing isn't fucking pissing about 50 different fluids.
You might want to check that.
Here we go. We got it starting anyway.
Some elbow greasing. Come on,
Let's go.
Oh, go on. Yes! Okay, now. Come on, lad. That has to go sideways, son. It's the only way to...
Wait.
All the pressure's on you, bro. All the pressure's on you. Come on, son. Come on, son. There you go. Yes.
Man's got the plate off anyway.
Go on, lads.
Alright, go on.
What's this made out of, bro?
Private Reg, yeah?
Go on.
Well, I'm gonna send it, yeah? Get ready for this.
Yeah, I'm holding it.
That was sheet. No. Always. Listen, we're not fucking playing about, lads. We're not fucking playing about here. Well, I'm gonna become a pancake if I stay there, so I'm gonna move in here. Oh, fuck off! He got the blue light mod. Look at this guy. Get out of here, man. Get out of here. You fucking shit Volvo. Run. Run away. Oh no. Right, lads, bad news. They shut that meet down. The police are just fucking on it. We did come late, so we didn't get to enjoy it as much as we wanted to. I know there was manic shit going on before that, but look, these things happen. We're back into central London now. Gonna cause more chaos. We'll save that for another day. Thanks for tuning in, folks, again. Remember, airbag team for the seatbelts. Everyone's fucking always asking, so that's where you go to get them. Have a good one. Peace.